to lift a school bag, pull a wheelbarrow, or push a shopping cart, you always exert a force. When this force results in something moving, we say that it does work. Today's topic is about work. So together, let's learn what is work. For work to be done, two things are needed. Force, and this force must put or make something move. It means distance. No movement means no work, no matter how strong the force. The force must be applied in the same direction as the motion. How to calculate work? Work equals force multiplied by distance. The unit of work is joules, while the unit of force is a newton, and the unit of distance is meter. If we have force and we don't have motion, or we don't have distance, so no work. But if we have motion, distance, and force in the same direction, so there is work. Is this work done in the above situation? Is the work done in the above situation? No work is done in the above situation because this man is trying to push the wall, but the wall is not moving. Work is done when a force moves an object over a distance. Work is done by a force when an object acts unmoved. No work is done by pushing against a wall. Work is done by throwing a ball because the ball moves while being pushed. Now, holding a football while watching the game on the TV, there is no work because we are just holding the ball. While pushing a cart through the store, there will be a work because we are pushing, there is a force, and the cart is moving, there is a distance. Now this boy is pushing with a force of 15 Newton. The rock does not move. How much work has the boy done? First, we have to write the formula of the work. Work equals force times distance. Work equals 15 newtons multiplied by 0 meters because this rock is not moving. So work equal to 0. Force without movement means no work is done. Now this boy is pushing his car 3 meters. He used a force of 5 newton. How much work did the boy do? The formula work equals force multiplied by distance, so work equals 5 multiplied by 3, work equals 15 joules. Now you have to look at each picture and you have to solve this worksheet by telling if there is work or no work, and make sure to explain your answer. Now try to send a small video while doing some actions and explain if there is work or no work, and send it back to your teacher. Thank you.